This video is going to go over the customer side settings, the features that you will set up after the thermostat is fully installed and it is programmed by the installer. So the next button is the mode button. This button will program your permanent hold or your holiday mode. So pressing it once, it'll bring up your set hold mode. This will be a permanent hold to whatever you set. So it's asking for a temperature right now, so you can say 73 degrees, and now it is permanently holding that 73 degrees until you hit the mode button again. It's asking to cancel. It'll hold this temperature until you hit cancel. So now that's canceled. We'll go back into the hold mode, hit mode one more time. Now this is our holiday. Anytime you're going on vacation, you can set a freeze protection for your house or room that this thermostat is in. So you want to keep it just 45, keep pipes from freezing, hit OK. It is now going to ask how many days you will be away from the house, and it'll now hold that temperature with freeze protection for that many days as you set until you hit cancel. Canceling will remove the holiday setting and return to normal, or your normal schedule. System we went over. The fan, you can change between auto, which will turn the fan on and off. When it calls for heat, cool, the fan will be off when it is not calling for heat or cool. Or you can have your fan on, which will always have the fan on no matter if it's calling for heat or cool. Lastly, we have the temporary hold. Just coming up to the thermostat and hitting the up and down arrows will allow you to override the current temperature. So if you override it to 75, it will hold this 75 degrees for 4 hours. Once that 4 hours is up, it'll revert back to your scheduled set points.